Okay, now a lot of you are like, oh, the artist, the painter, and you go to a gallery or you go to a museum and you go, I don't get it. And that's fine, because you know what, I don't get it either. And one of the artists that come up a lot is like Picasso, Rothko. That Rothko sold for $100 million. I don't get it, it's just this. It's just this. What is that? It's just a square, right? And underneath that square, what's under there? Another square. There's another square. That is worth $100 million? That's worth $100 million? You know what Rothko is like? It's like looking at a cloud. A cloud is abstract, it can look like anything. So for this recipe, what you'll need is a white paint, white crayon. But are clouds really white? No, they reflect everything that's around it. So what are you feeling today? What colors, shapes? Is there some yellow in the sky from the sun? Probably, there's some yellow. Is there some green from the grass being, yeah, okay. Is there a bird flying by? Is there a bluebird flying by? What is this? What is this? Is there a bluebird flying by? Yes. So you got some colors up in the mix, and then let's add the white. Here you go. There's cloud number 1. There's cloud number 2. Here's another cloud right there. There you go. And if you're like, that's still a little too abstract for me, then you could outline it. Here you go. There's cloud number 1. There's cloud number 2. There's cloud number 3. Why are you doing that voice, Dave? I don't like it. It's condescending. I'll stop it right now. I'll stop it right now. Who doesn't like fruits? Huh? Who here doesn't like fresa? Who here doesn't like sandia? Banana? You like anana? You know what that is, right? Pineapple. Did you know it doesn't grow on the ground? This is how you draw a tree. My 6-year-old could do that. My 3-year-old could do that. Can they? Can they? I don't think so. What are we gonna do next, Dave? Let's throw in a sun, right? Who doesn't like a sunny day? Sunbeam, 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 sunbeam. What kind of fruit tree? Let's go with the most obvious, okay? Apple tree, how many apples? Maybe there's too many apples on this side. Can we get an equal amount of apples on this side and that side? I don't think it works that way. How about some apples on the ground, huh? How about some crab apples? Well, I'd love to draw a crab apple, except for I don't know what it is. What the F is a crab apple? Yeah, you almost said the F word. Yep. Here's some branches. It's an upside down peace sign, see? See that? Let's do okay, let's just do a peace sign. There's a peace sign right there. Peace. And let's flip it around. So there's your tree right there. Who are you today? Are you the tree? This is you if you're the tree. Are you hiding behind the tree? Hello, I'm shy. Are you hiding behind the tree or are you in front of the tree? Huh? Here I am, naked and all. There I am. You decide. Maybe you're under the tree. Maybe you're the Roots. Oh, you know that band, The Roots? Questlove? There you go. Maybe you're under the tree. You can't do this? You can't do this? You can't do this? This is like a little makeup stick. Every single person, from a child to a teen to a young adult to an old adult to an old person. Why did you say old person with the most disgust? Do you not like old people? Are you an ageist? What is this? What is this? Well, it started with a disgusting Rothko, and now I'm showing you how to do a landscape. Now, let's see what it looks like this way. Oh, beautiful. So let's just go like this. Let's go like this. This. Oh, let's go like that. Oh, let's go like that. What is it? What is it? What is it? Let's draw a dog. See that? See that? Are we gonna leash it? You tell me. If you want me to leash it, we could leave it. Okay, we'll leash it. There we go. We leashed it. Are we gonna depaw it or declaw it? Should we? Bing, 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 bing. Wagging tail because it likes you, and we're done. You want a cat? You get a cat. Chinese cat? Siamese cat? There you go. Bing, bong. Whoop, 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 whoop. You want a belly rub? You want a belly rub? You want a belly rub? Let's not declaw this one. Let's give him some claws. Belly rub. There's his tail. Tickle, 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 tickle. Okay. Have you ever drawn a shoe before? Let's start with shoelaces. Do you guys know how to tie your shoelaces? Do you do the bunny style? Or do you the triple X style? There you go, triple X. You got some shit kickers here, huh? What kind of tread you want on those? You want some spikes? Let's do some spikes. Dave, You didn't plan ahead. You didn't plan ahead. Once I put a sock on this boot, the boot has taken up the entire, there's no place left. What am I just gonna do, a knee like this? Then I have to contort the person's body like that? Where's his other foot gonna go? Where's his arm gonna go? Here? Where's his eye? Oh, let's put his eye on the boot. Let's put his eye on the boot. Let's make this his mouth. Let's give him a big black Mickey Mouse nose. What do you think about that? What do you want now? You want me to trace my hat? I could do it. I could trace my hat. You don't think I'll do it? I'll do it right now. See that? I did it. I did it. Ding, ding, dong. Done. Next. You got more? You got more? All right, I'm done.